to the GitHub page for ZPy, github/sumolabs/ZPy. On the right-hand side in the releases, you will find all of the releases of ZPy. Each release has a add-on zip folder. Download this folder. The ZPy add-on will require additional Python dependencies. Navigate to the Blender installation path for your system. Inside the Python bin folder, there will be a pip executable. Use this pip executable to install the ZPyZumo pip package. Open up Blender and navigate to the Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and Install. Navigate to the downloaded add-on zip folder from GitHub and hit Install. You can then search for the add-on and make sure it is enabled. Once enabled, the add-on should appear as an additional panel